India sharply criticized Pakistan during a United Nations Security Council (UNSC) meeting in New York, expressing deep concerns over the deteriorating situation in Afghanistan. Addressing the council, India's permanent representative Harish Parvathanini condemned the recent airstrikes carried out by Pakistan inside Afghan territory, calling them a violation of international norms and a threat to regional stability. India highlighted that the United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan, UNMA, has also expressed serious concern over the ongoing violence and its warnings must be taken seriously. Parvathanini emphasized that the killing of innocent women, children, and even athletes in Afghanistan is completely unacceptable and reflects the worsening humanitarian situation on the ground. Targeting Pakistan's policies, India stated that there is increasing evidence that the concept of trade and transit is being misused to facilitate terrorism. According to India, such actions not only destabilize the region but also inflict immense suffering on the Afghan population, which is already reeling from years of conflict and economic collapse. Observers note that this response signals India's intent to reaffirm its traditional foreign policy stance of non-interference and strategic equidistance. By calling the article unacceptable, the MIA aims to remind foreign missions that diplomatic convention does not extend to publishing openly biased political opinion pieces. India reiterated that all nations have a responsibility to maintain peace, security, and adhere to international law. The international community, India stressed, must act collectively to ensure that terrorism is not supported, financed, or tolerated in any form. Any attempt to shelter or promote terrorist networks under the guise of political or economic initiatives poses a grave danger to global peace. India reaffirmed its long-standing commitment to the people of Afghanistan, pledging continued humanitarian support and developmental cooperation. India noted that sustainable peace can be achieved only when the region remains free from terrorism and when countries act with sincerity and accountability. In conclusion, India urged the UNSC to hold accountable those who violate Afghanistan's sovereignty and contribute to regional instability. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.